All I do to my hair when I go to work is braids. Braids.
You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Rudy Allure, or today Southern Francis. So I literally just got home from work probably like 10 minutes ago, and if y'all know, I went bald. If you don't know, I linked the video of me going bald in the description box. I went bald on December 25th because I had like some issues. I'm gonna talk about that in another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be focusing on 2 wigs that I got. So upon going bald, I was like, what am I gonna do to my hair for work? Because if you know me, all I do to my hair when I go to work is braids. Braids. Different color, different style, different sizes, just braids. Every now and then I'll wear my natural hair out for work. Well, I guess when it was short, I used to wear it out for work. But now that I'm bald, like all the way bald, I'm like, no, I cannot go to work bald. So upon going bald, I was like, what am I gonna do to my hair? Wigs. Yay, wigs. So I have a wig install video. I'm gonna link that in the description box. So I'm gonna link the video of me going bald in the description box. I'm also gonna link my wig install video in the description box. It's gonna be like a much better sleigh than this. This is not a sleigh compared to the video that I'm gonna link in the description box. So if you need a beginner friendly wig tutorial, it's gonna be in the description box. And if you want to see me going bald with my family's reaction, that will also be in the description box. So a couple months ago, I came across this company and TikTok. It's called CurlyMe. This is not a sponsored video. I bought these 2 wigs with my hard-earned money, so it's not a sponsored video. So let's just make that clear. I know they're known for like their curly hair texture and their like extremely long straight hairs. I know that's what they're known for, curly hairs and whatever. 2 bob wigs, one in a black, one in like, I think it's a highlighted brown. We'll see it in a sec. But yeah, let's just open the package. So this is the package I purchased. See, this is the thing, I need to invest in a camera because I could have like the details on my phone. I could access my email while I'm doing this video. I'll probably do that when I'm editing the video. I'll put the details of the wigs in the video. So this is what the package looks like. As I said, this is not a sponsored video. This is a video that I came across a company and their hair got a lot of good reviews and I wanted to try it for myself. So this is what the package it came in and it looked like. First off, I'm gonna say the package looked exactly like the ones that the influencers receive, so that's a plus so far. Okay, so this is the first wig. So all the wigs that I got, it's supposed to be I think it's like a 4x4 closure. So this one, it says Brazilian hair and it's like 250% density because I like bobs. Although I've never worn them, I don't like my bob. I don't like it to be oh child. Well, the packaging is good. Looks good. Oh child. Well, it looks good. It looks pretty good. So far, no shredding. And as I said, it's 250% density, so it looks pretty full. So yeah, I'm gonna do a close-up. So this is what the knots look like. Hopefully you can see it. The lace, I'm not so much feeling the lace. I'm gonna have to play with the lace a lot to get it to match my skin. So yeah, the lace looks good. It's just that I'm gonna have to play with it a lot to get it to match my my complexion. But yeah, hopefully you can see this is what it looks like. This is also a 10-inch, and this is 200% density. Ooh. As I said, the packaging, they come packaged pretty good, so that's good. And this one, just like the previous one, the lace is the same. The lace looks pretty good. It's just that I'm gonna have to play with it a lot to get it to match my complexion. The knots, yeah, they're gonna need to be bleached. And this, as I said, this density is 200% density. I kind of like this. On the website, I was looking for it to have a different color though. So far, I think they look pretty good. So far, based off first impression, I'm gonna give it. Based off first impression, I'm gonna give it, for now, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 based off first impression. And this one also, it has a lot of flyaways, a lot of short pieces at the closure. So yeah, okay. So what else is in this bag? I received wig caps. I received some lashes, which I'm not gonna use again because I wear glasses and these are too long. Well, probably not. Yeah, they're gonna be too long. Yeah, so I'm not gonna wear it. These are some cute lashes. They are super cute. And then you get this little wig band, and it has yeah. So that's it. I don't think I'm gonna like this. This one, the intention was real, but I don't think I'm gonna like it at all. I'm not gonna like this, so I'm not even gonna entertain the thought of me wearing it. What I could do, I could return it, because I don't know what the return policy is, but let me find the clips. I just don't think I'm going to like it. I'm probably going to once I don't know.
Hey guys, so I had to mute this video real quick so I can come in here and tell y'all what I experienced with these wigs. First off, I'm gonna say, don't do it. Do not do it, sis. These two wigs, I paid $180 for these 2 wigs, and I waste my $180. Like, these 2 wigs, oh my freaking god. First off, the lace was trash. The wigs, they shred. They're not. I'm so mad right now, but that's just my honest opinion. I really wanted to come back and show y'all like the install and stuff. I have clips of me installing the wigs and clips of me bleaching the wig. Well, bleaching the knots, but I'm trying to save you some coins. Just don't do it. Please, I'm asking y'all, don't do it.
So that's it for that. I literally just wanted to come in here and do this little unboxing. This is like my first unboxing video, and I thought this would be a perfect time to just come and chill with y'all, even though you're gonna see this video after I'm finished. But I feel like it was just it felt good to come and chill with y'all for a little bit. And y'all have to see my uniform. Yay! So I hope y'all are having a wonderful new year so far. So far the new year has been good to me. Y'all can see the smile. And I hope you guys are staying safe, you're staying warm, and yeah. So I'm saying thank you for tuning in to yet another video. And if you like my content and you'd like to see more of me, please help me grow by giving this video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the description box, and share with your loved ones. Until next time, it's your girl Rudy Allure or Sergeant Francis saying bye.
In and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, back more.